Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and removing any risk. Unplug the machine and take out the needle and presser foot so you can work safely. Next, raise the needle to its highest position and open the spool and bobbin areas to expose the jam. Gather tweezers, a small screwdriver, a seam ripper, and a soft brush. These let you reach tight spots without causing damage. Once done, work under good light so you can see loops, knots, and trapped thread clearly. You now remove visible thread by gently pulling with tweezers from the direction the thread normally feeds, starting near the needle and moving toward the bobbin case. If thread is wrapped under plates, loosen the access screws and remove the plate carefully. Place screws in a safe spot so they don't get lost. Brush lint and tiny fibers out. Avoid yanking or forcing rotating mechanisms because that can bend parts. Make sure to inspect the shuttle hook and feed dog. You finish by reassembling all parts in reverse order, reinstalling the needle and presser foot, and rethreading the top thread and bobbin exactly as the manual shows. Once done, plug in and run a slow test stitch on scrap fabric. Listen for clicking or scraping, which signals a problem. If the machine still jams, stop using it and inspect the bobbin case for damage. If you see dents or bends, replace it or seek professional service to avoid further harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.